To practice, we're going to convert a whole bunch of these things just using the calculator. I'm not going to do everything on camera because that's incredibly boring in my opinion. So I'm going to let you fill in some of it. But let's start with J1 equals 12. So what I'm going to do, that's an effective rate, remember? So I'm going to set EFF equals 12, and I want to convert that to semi-annual. So that means that CY is 2, and now I go down to nominal and I press compute, and I get 11.66%. And that's a J2. Let's do it again for quarterly. We go up to CY, we change to 4, and now we recompute the nominal, and we get J4 equals 11.49, etc. %. Now let's do one more, monthly. I change that to 12. I change nominal by using my compute button, and I get J12 equals 11.3865. I'm just going to put some ... so I don't have to round. Fairly simple. So now let's do J2 equals 8%. So I'm going to go back up, and I don't have to clear this, but I want to. So what I'm going to do is press second, clear, and that sets everything back to the base. You don't need to do it because you can overwrite, but it's useful. So this time I'm going to start with a nominal, and that's 8. I start with a nominal rate of 8%, and I change my CY to be 2 because it's semi-annual. Now I go to the effective, and that's what I'm computing. J1 is 8.16%. Now that I have the effective rate, I can find the quarterly and monthly. So to find quarterly, I set that to be 4, and my nominal is now 7.92. One more. CY is 12. Nominal is 7.86. I'm just going to put some ... One thing to notice, our rates are changing in size. This is a smaller number. Because we're compounding more often, which we know gets us more interest, a smaller interest rate gets us the same amount of number as the bigger. So in this case, these two numbers are going to be bigger than 10%, and this number is going to be smaller than 10%. I'd like you guys to pause the video and continue to fill out the table. I'm going to unpause and everything will be magically filled in. See? Like magic, it's all nicely filled in. So make sure that you get the same answers as me.